Hi, and welcome to your practice. I'm Courtney, and this is a short tutorial on the mantra Asato Ma. But this is a really lovely chant and one that is easy to connect to because the messaging is just so simple. In its essence, the words say, guide me from untruth to truth, guide me from darkness to light, guide me from death to immortality. Om, peace, peace, peace. So this is just one of those really simple, lovely chants, and it also has just like a nice little poppy rhythm to it as well. All right, so the words are Asato Ma, sadgamaya, tamasoma, jyotir, gamaya, Mrtyor ma, amrtam, gamaya. That's a little bit of a mouthful. Om, shanti, shanti, shanti. All right, so I'll go through it once. I'll go through again with a little space for call and response, and then we can chant together a few times until the end. All right? Om Asato Ma sadgamaya, Asato Ma jyotir, gamaya, Mrtyor ma, amrtam, gamaya. All right, now call and response. Om Asato Ma sadgamaya, Asato Ma jyotir, gamaya, Mrtyor ma, amrtam, gamaya. And now let's try it together. Om Asato Ma sadgamaya, Asato Ma jyotir, gamaya, Mrtyor ma, amrtam, gamaya. Om Asato Ma sadgamaya, Asato Ma jyotir, gamaya, Mrtyor ma, amrtam, gamaya. Om Asato Ma sadgamaya, Asato Ma jyotir, gamaya, Mrtyor ma, amrtam, gamaya. Om Asato Ma sadgamaya, Asato Ma jyotir, gamaya, Mrtyor ma, amrtam, gamaya. Om Asato Ma sadgamaya, Asato Ma jyotir, gamaya, Mrtyor ma, amrtam, gamaya. Om shanti, shanti, shanti. So that is the chant Asato Ma. Thank you so much for practicing, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.